Hey guys, Josh was here. Go to have our boss for you guys. So this time with Travis. So I did see this movie, and it's the remake of the original TV series Traffic in 1989, and the spin-off of and it turned to a miniseries, and it turned to the miniseries in 2004. So I got the original one. I got the original Traffic in 1989. I hope we pick up the miniseries in 2004. So Traffic. So it's about Robert and his wife and his daughter. So Robert and his family family planned about his wife and a daughter. So yeah. So in this movie yeah. So in this movie about the drugs, about all the drug stuff. So when Robin and the daughter find out about the daughter's doing drugs, they found see what happened. So yes, front. It's back. Side. You get all the tattoos and so is this what you're here for? So that's I could watch or Traffic on DVD. So no idea my next box would be, but that's it. So just for the sign out.